Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at a few C-15 flooring contractor license exam questions. When installing carpet on stairs, in which direction should the pile point? The correct answer is D, down the stairs. What procedure should be used when the contractor finds a hump in the concrete substrate? The correct answer is D, grind the hump down to level it. Which of the following hardwood surface finishes would be best for kitchen floors? The correct answer is D, urethane. So as you can see, the C-15 flooring exam is quite extensive when it comes to the trade side. Obviously, evaluating plans and specifications, material acclimation, testing subfloor for moisture, installing carpets, cutting, laying out laminates, safety, finishing wood. There's a lot of information that's going to be on the trade portion of the test. There's thousands of possible questions on the exam. Many of them are actually going to be math related, and they're going to cover varying aspects of the flooring trade. So it's really important that you're prepared for this test. About 26% of the exam covers planning and estimating, 17% covers subfloor evaluation and preparation, 14% covers carpet installation, 12% resilient goods and rubber flooring installation, 8% laminate flooring installation, 10% wood flooring installation, and 13% safety. Now what we've done is we've taken the most pertinent information on both exams, we've condensed it into summarized Cliff Note formats, the most specific information covering exactly what's on the exam. It's presented in a clear way with examples and descriptions. We've got either ebooks or physical study guides, online practice tests, online lectures, mathematics reviews to ensure that you're prepared for those mathematics questions, and then of course application reviews to ensure that your application's filled out correctly before you send it off to the CSLB. And you can find the links to our courses below in the description of this video. Just wanted to make this quick video covering the exam questions. We were getting a lot of questions specifically about the types of questions on the exam. We've got another video that goes a lot deeper into the process of the test, what's on the law side, and then a lot more information covering the C-15 exam. You can check that out along with another video that goes into the requirements, how to fill out the certification work experience, where do you take the exam, how long does it take, how to fill out the application, all of that really important information. You're definitely going to want to check out those two videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. And again, you can find courses for the C-15 below in the links of this video. Thank you for your time, and thanks again for watching. This is digitalconstructive.com.